Hey everyone, if you're encountering an error with Roblox where it gives you the message, sorry there was a problem reaching our servers, please try again, then stick with me as in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a few steps you can take to fix this issue. It's actually a fairly simple one to resolve, and the first thing we're going to do is check our browser security settings and to make sure they're configured in the correct way. To do this, we're going to head over to our internet browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome, and then we want to come to the three little dots in the right hand corner here. And then we just want to scroll down and select settings. And then from this page, we want to come to the Privacy and Security tab, and then we want to select Security from here. And we just want to make sure that Standard Protection is enabled. We can then relaunch Roblox, and if this still doesn't solve your issue, we can move on to the next step. The next thing we want to check is our computer's firewall settings. So to do this, we can come to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, and then searching for the word Firewall. From here, we can click on Firewall and Network Protection, and then we just want to select Allow an app through Firewall. Now, in order to make any changes, we need to hit this button first where it says Change Settings, and then from this list of items here, we want to find our internet browser. So for me, it's Google Chrome. So if I scroll down here, and then once you found Google Chrome, you want to make sure that both private and public is selected. Then we can continue scrolling down, and we just want to find the Roblox app, and again, we want to make sure private and public is both selected. And then we just need to hit OK to save our changes, and then we can relaunch the Roblox app to check to see if the issue is fixed. Now, another thing we can try if you're still experiencing connection issues is actually changing our DNS settings to allow for a faster internet connection. You will need to head to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key on your computer, and we want to search for Control Panel. And then we can select this icon here. And then we want to come to Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. And in this left-hand column, we want to select Change Adapter Settings. Now, you want to find the internet that you're using. For me, it's the Summer House one here. And you want to right-click it and come to Properties. From Properties, you'll get this list of menu items, and you want to select Internet Protocol version 4. And then you can come to Properties. And what we want to do is we want to change it from Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. So if we select that, and then in these boxes, I want you to type in 8888, and in the second box, 8844. And then if you just hit OK to save our changes. And once again, we can relaunch the Roblox app to check to see if the issue is fixed. We can also clear our browser cache data once we've done this, as some users have reported this to fix their issue. Just head to your internet browser, again I'm using Google Chrome, and then come to the three little dots here, and select Clear Browsing Data. Now, you just want to make sure these three boxes are all selected, and then you can go ahead and click Clear Data. Now, the last and final thing we can do to fix this issue is to perform a clean install of the app. To do this, we need to head over to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key, and then search in for the word App. And then if you just click Add or Remove Programs, and then we want to use this search box up here to search for Roblox. And once you've found the Roblox app, make sure you select the Roblox player, and you want to come to these three little dots and hit Uninstall. And then once we've uninstalled the app, to reinstall it, we just need to head over to an internet browser and come to roblox.com/download. And then all we need to do is click this big download button here. Then once it's finished downloading, you can try relaunching the app to see if it's fixed the issue. Hopefully by now your issue has been resolved, but if you still are experiencing issues, you can also try to disable your VPN if you're using one. Otherwise, drop me a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.